Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to fill and copy your Great British Pound account detail with your Payoneer account. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your Payoneer account. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the sidebar right here, click on Get Page. Then it's going to open up this page. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Receiving Accounts. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have for your Great British Pound account right here. What you need to do is to simply click on it. Then you're going to see the account detail, just like what you see right here. And then what you can do right here is to simply click on copy all details right here. It's as simple as that. Then you can use this account detail to receive payments anywhere in the world in form of Great British Pound currency. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to fill your Great British Pounds account detail with your Payoneer account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.